Hey, Dr. Axe here. Today I'm going to share with you an Ayurvedic recipe that's been used for thousands of years and helped transform people's health all over the globe. It is a turmeric latte, and this is one of my favorite recipes for just general building up your overall the health of your digestive system, balancing out inflammation, supporting hormones, and helping you age better. So we're going to start off here. What you're going to need, here's some key ingredients. You're going to need some turmeric. You're going to need some raw honey, some cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla extract, coconut milk, and then secret ingredients, ashwagandha powder and reishi mushroom powder, which we'll talk about, and then a little bit of ghee or grass-fed butter. Here's how you're going to start this recipe out. You're going to go ahead and warm up a saucepan here, and then you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ghee or grass-fed butter. Now, the reason you use ghee or grass-fed butter is, you may not realize this, but healthy fats actually help you better absorb herbs, okay? It helps with absorption. So part of this Ayurvedic medicine, one of the secrets they knew is that healthy fats combined with spices improves absorption into your bloodstream. So here's the truth. If you're doing certain recipes and you're not adding in healthy fats and herbs that are warming, that increase circulation, like cayenne pepper and black pepper and ginger, you're not actually absorbing a lot of things into your bloodstream. So we're warming this up here, a little bit of ghee. Next thing we're going to add in is 1 cup of coconut milk. Now, where ghee actually has what are called short-chain fatty acids, one of the things it supports in the body is something called butyric acid, which is great for your gut health. Coconut milk contains medium-chain fatty acids, which is actually great for your energy and metabolism. In fact, the medium chain fats in coconut are the easiest fats for your body to burn as fuel. In fact, a lot of triathletes today and people that are into fitness are doing coconut milk before their long races and events. So we've got ghee, we got coconut milk. We're going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract. The great thing about this recipe, not only is it incredible for your health, it also tastes amazing by adding a few little secret ingredients in here, like a little bit of vanilla extract and a little bit of honey. So the amount of vanilla you're going to add in is about a capful or about 1 teaspoon, okay? Just going to add that right in there, so quite a bit of vanilla. So we're going to go ahead and sort of let this warm up here for a second. We're going to add in 1 more secret ingredient here. I'm going to turn this down a bit. Doesn't take much. You're just getting it just lightly warm. I'm going to add in, this is organic bone broth protein turmeric spice. Now, the secret here is this not only contains turmeric, this contains, remember what I said earlier, warming spices combined with fat help certain compounds get dispersed throughout your entire body. In fact, there was a study done, and they actually found that when people consumed turmeric along with a warming spice like black pepper, what it did, it actually caused it not to only sit in the digestive tract, but to get spread throughout the entire cardiovascular system via your bloodstream. So that's a secret. Listen, whenever you consume turmeric, you want to take a warming spice with it, like cayenne, ginger, or black pepper. So what you're going to add here is 1 scoop here of this organic bone broth protein turmeric spice in here, kind of let that mix up a little bit. And this is great too. You know, bone broth protein contains collagen type 2, which is great for your skin, hair, and nails, amazing for your joints, amazing for your gut health. This is paleo friendly, GAPS diet friendly, gut friendly. So love that there as well. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to stir this up here just a little bit. We got this all nice and warm now. And again, this recipe tastes delicious. And again, great for your body. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this here in the blender. Remember, this was a mixture of ghee, turmeric, which is found in bone broth, and coconut milk here in this recipe, and a little bit of vanilla extract. The next thing we're going to add in here is just 1 teaspoon of honey, just a little bit to sweeten it up a little bit. Now, we know that raw local honey has been used as a natural sweetener for thousands of years. You may not realize this, but when you're getting especially raw local honey, it's great for your microbiome. It's great for your immune system. In fact, I wrote a book, Eat Dirt, a few years back, and I talked about, and I put studies in there that talked about why honey can actually help your body with allergies. Well, it does that because it contains local sources of pollen, and naturally over time can help boost up your immune system. So when there's those big pollen attacks, especially in the fall and spring, your body becomes more immune. But again, just 1 teaspoon here. Just gonna eyeball it. there of raw local honey you're going to add to this recipe. And then here are our 2 secret ingredients. Now, these ingredients are known as adaptogens that have been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for thousands of years. The first one here, this is ashwagandha powder. Now, ashwagandha powder is also known as Indian ginseng, and ashwagandha has been shown to support healthy thyroid hormone levels. Ashwagandha is also great as an adaptogen. Now, adaptogenic herbs mean they help your body better adapt and deal with stress and can support healthy cortisol levels, adrenal levels, thyroid hormone levels. So again, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon there of ashwagandha powder. The next thing we're going to add in is this mushroom powder called reishi. Now, reishi mushrooms, they used to make a tea of this in ancient Chinese medicine, and they actually called the tea the elixir of immortality. It was that great for anti-aging and overall boosting your health. So again, about 1 teaspoon there we're going to add of that reishi powder. You can also add in other mushroom powders like cordyceps is great. But again, ashwagandha, again, the most famed adaptogen of Ayurvedic medicine, and then again reishi, the most famed adaptogen found in Chinese medicine. And last little ingredient here, we'll top it off here at the end after I blend it up with a little bit of cinnamon. You know, cinnamon is great for your blood sugar levels. So we'll go ahead here, get this blender started up here. Let it blend for a bit. I'll tell you, this is just a beautiful golden color, okay? This turmeric latte. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up, pour it here in this glass. There we go. And I'll tell you, this is really great. I mean, it's great on a cold day. It's also just great to do in general, really any time of the year. What you're going to do now is you're going to take a little bit of cinnamon and just do just a couple little dashes there on top. Brings out a little bit of sweetness there. And I'll tell you, just the mix of all of these herbs. We talked about cinnamon here, great for your blood sugar. We talked about turmeric, probably the healthiest one of the healthiest herbs in the world with more clinical studies in recent years than any other herb out there. You know, turmeric contains curcumin, which has a plethora of different benefits in terms of how it benefits the body. And again, by having those warming herbs mixed in here, it actually allows it to get more throughout your entire body. When you're buying turmeric, remember, make sure it's certified organic and it's best mixed with these warming herbs. And again, this is the product I recommend, Ancient Nutrition Organic Bone Broth Protein Turmeric Spice. We talked about the ashwagandha, the reishi here. Again, lots of herbs, lots of benefits. I'm gonna go ahead and have a little sip here. This is absolutely delicious. Again, this is an ancient Ayurvedic recipe that's been used as a form of as a natural remedy for thousands of years. I hope you enjoy it.